many dollars.
Hey, you're that Oceanfront real estate guy, right?
Hey, yeah, what's up?
I love your properties.
Thank you. I'm actually headed to a listing right now. Do you want to check it out?
Of course.
Come on.
So how's your day going?
You know, it's going really good. You can't complain. We're on Lauderdale Beach right now. You got the ocean right there. Just wrapped up lunch over at Tocado. You know, we have the Four Seasons right here. They have an amazing spa, and then they opened up this restaurant called Moss. Super good. And then we got S3 right here on the corner. And what's really nice about Lauderdale Beach is that it's always so calm. You get the pristine white sand. You can come, you can rent a cabana, you got bar service, you got food service. I mean, I don't know why everyone doesn't live here. I mean, don't you just love Florida? Every single day, every single night, this is your life. You can never be sad. But let's go check out the house.
Whoa, so this is the W Hotel?
Yeah, man, that's the W. They actually just built that a few years ago. And when a lot of people think of Florida condo living, you know, they think of these tall buildings like the W or like the Four Seasons. But for me, I'm a private guy, so I actually prefer a building where you don't have to deal with the lobby, you don't have to deal with an elevator, and you don't have to deal with being seen when you don't want to be seen. So this place here is actually super cool. You walk straight up to your own private door. This is a pool right here. It's heated, and there's also a hot tub, and then it's just right around the corner. So I know that people say hidden gems a lot when they're talking about real estate, but this really is. It's one of my favorites in Lauderdale Beach. I hope you brought your walking shoes, because this is a 4-story townhome on a private entrance corner lot. I mean, isn't this just amazing? You have 15-foot tall ceilings here, and then look at all of these windows on the corner lot. Now, this is something super rare, just to get a room that's flooded with natural light. And I honestly think that the character and the charm of this room, like I would sit here all day, sunny day, rainy day, doesn't matter. It's a very beautiful space. And then let's check out the rest of the house, because the main floor is split on a split level. So you come up this little staircase here, and then you have formal dining for up to 8 people. Then you have another living room area right off of the kitchen, so that while you're cooking, you can watch TV and hang out. And isn't this the most adorable kitchen ever? It's a perfect beach house kitchen. You have a 50-bottle wine cooler, you got the fridge, you got the oven, microwave, really everything you need. Like, I would spend so much time in here. And what's cool about this home is it's actually over 4,000 square feet of space, and you just would never know. And then there's a surprise upstairs. So the second floor is where all of the sleeping accommodations are. We have 3 bedrooms here and 2 bathrooms on this level. If this isn't a beach house, look at these super adorable twin beds. And then you know we love a good balcony. You can sit out here at night or sit out here in the morning and drink your coffee, and then come through here. We have another bedroom. So this is a really cool room. It feels like you're at a hotel. You have the double queen bed, and again, the natural light in this home is just everything. In here, you have a giant walk-in closet that actually has a laundry station and a washer and dryer. So then in here, you have a beautiful bathroom with a double vanity, a large jetted jacuzzi soaking tub, and then we also have a walk-in shower with a rain head. Now, I told you that there was a surprise upstairs. This is actually one of my favorite levels in the home. I mean, check out this room. It is so cool. You have a nice poker table over here, and then you have another living room with a giant 80-inch TV, and then a really cool Murphy bed. I love a good Murphy bed. When you're not using it, you just fold it up and this becomes an office, and then when you have guests, you just bring it back down. And then we even have an awesome bar over here. Get the tequila going, and then you can enjoy the tequila out on your private balcony. I mean, I would sleep out here if I lived here. And then you also have an all fresco dining area where you can sit and enjoy a meal outdoors. I mean, and in Florida, we are just all about the outdoors. You get that beautiful ocean view right down the street, sunny all year long. You already know this. It really doesn't get better than this. And like I said earlier, buying a property like this, you are not buying a house, you are buying a lifestyle. You get luxury amenities, 100 feet to the right, and you can book a spa appointment at the Four Seasons. 100 feet to the left, and you're dining 5-star on the ocean at Tocado or Vitolo or Trulux. I mean, I love it here.
Yeah, it's truly amazing, but there's so many stairs. Like, do you ever get winded?
I mean, you gotta walk up the stairs. It's beach body season all year long here, and of course, if you don't want to take the stairs, we do have an elevator.
Wow.
Speaking of which, I'm gonna meet you down there.
What, I have to walk?
Yeah, bye.
Whoa, how'd you get down here so fast?
Oh, hey, there you are. Nice of you to join us.
So I do have a question. So how would I get a property like this?
Well, you would call me, of course. My phone number is 954-228-7833, and you'll have to call fast because I actually have a client coming to look now. So you gotta go.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Of course. Bye.